and she. Hi viewers. You guys studied this and that in last class. I hope you understand. Today we learn he and she. Let's learn about them one by one. He is used for males. Whenever we talk about boy or a man, we use he. He is boy. He is a man. He is my grandfather. He is a student. She is used for females. Whenever we talk about girl or a woman, we use she. She is a teacher. She is a student. She is a doctor. She is playing in the ground. Hope you understand he and she. Next chapter is Magic-y. We will learn about this when we meet again. See you next time.